We dey salute una for outside the country people dem. Na another time for we for talk tori for inside that tori house. We go take una go for place where they call am say Biteng. Na for that side, so for center region, wey problem for land between Benin man and some big man for inside court. E don make am fight. E be happen. We go talk as where the thing e happen for inside Biteng. Tori to the meter we for side from Banga for Mongo division say they don catch some young man wey e don go sleep some 4-year-old pikin. According to this young man, e dey try for talk say na for sake of this magic puzzle wey e make am wey e be dey go for sleep some small pikin. And the report wey come out from doctor dem, e dey show say the man e don sleep with the pikin for back and for in front. As we tori dey enter we ear, we go show una small of the thing wey just happen from Banga. We go turn back for the plenty for morning time inside tori house. Tori 2 e go take we enter for the suffer wey people dey wey dey she don for side for Babubok na village under Kupe Maningoba division. Then they get am for carry thy body comot from Banget town, then you go for Babubok na big suffer as well. Na sesebo na go see am for inside a tori house this afternoon. We go talk to tori matter for PTA for Lumshantega. We be start the tori so if find say make we finish am last they don't get their new president for PTA wey they call am So Robert. He don't talk say principal no go even get even one hand inside the new governor wey they don't make am. And we go talk to Ndamba for side for Ndamba. We man Ndamba team e dey continue for prepare for qualifiers for the World Cup wey dey come for Qatar 2022. Sabi say just now Fabrice Onduatu with the year that suspend or that problem wey be get out with the club FC Ostende. He don't go now for a favor and the club he get forgive Fabrice Ondua 400,000 euros as well here. Newspaper day and big people them talk this afternoon. They tell we say person fit get chance for kick your backside. Now only time where you turn up for it before. Person if you get chance for kick your backside. Now only time where you turn up for it before. Big people them talk. It come out from Bao Neville where the look we from Boya. We return back smarter with Tori for Tori House. We glad for salute say we glad for sabi say una so dey for before tele after 11 na for 1 o'clock. Tori for this afternoon go start na for side for Yawende country people dem na for place where they call am say Biteng we fight e be happen. Make we talk the tori as well we hear am na problem for land for inside Biteng wey e make am so take people that dey fight. This land wey una dey see am so country people dem na the land wey dey inside the trouble. And we dey hear say one person wey claim say get the land, Emmanuel Kemonye wey be na Benin man, and Narcisse Bia wey be na big man for inside court from Twi. Na them two wey dey fight this land. Na the big man for court he can't throw away the stick them say na his own place. Wey he don't come with the big hand them say me they come chakada ti wey dey so. Emmanuel Kemonye he don't put am and Emmanuel Kemonye the show say na he get the land, he be buy the land from a different person. Na the book that way they show am just now. The two people them Emmanuel Kemonye wey be na Benin man and Narcisse Bia wey na big man for court from Twi. They come with their own big hand. They want to go they call am say Grobra. Them two they come it up na fight. They the one start for fight where people they the one divide them. The main land as well the talk. The man wey be na Benin man Emmanuel Kemonye as well the talk just now. After the man for court he use the power. They catch he. They go level for back counter. Inside back counter wey e dey like say his skin start war. Now so they carry wrong go down for hospital inside Yawende. And as well the talk just now. According to person wey dey work on top the land, they say na land wey dey so Emmanuel Kemonye. He talk say for the past 20 years, na he be get the land and na he buy the land with the proof wey get am. Just now, this big lawyer wey they call am say Narcisse Bia, he too don come out. He can't talk say the land na he own wey he be don get am since. But sabi say Emmanuel Kemonye won at the sea on top a bed so he know well. And after we come out for that hospital bed, he get for turn back for back counter as we to really enter for we ear. So now 2 elephant them where they fight and they ever talk say when 2 elephant they fight. Now the grass except it is super so Benin man versus man for inside courthouse. Now who he go last win this matter? Na palava for wait and see. We go enter for Mendong so for Yawende just now. plenty people dem for Mendong dey ask question if Yaounde e don really prepare for this African Nations Cup wey e dey come for inside we country minus 1 moon inside this matter. Na road this for Mendong wey dem don throway dirty sotey dirty e dey even go for middle road, but e dey show like say company wey dey look out dirty no even dey sell for Yaounde. And this side for Mendong, at least no na for some village place, no na far away place like Hawaii wey dem go talk say stranger dem dey go come, dem no go surely reach for there. Mendong dey na for inside town for side for Biamasi wey we sabi fine. And just now the population na dem dey suffer una see say if some 2 motor dey get for pass for here one time, if one dey comot for up, another one dey comot for down, wey no go dey the one motor e must to stop make the other one pass. Dirty don flood for all the roads and the population for Mendong dey beg na beg. Now for say make the company wey dey look out dirty e come do the work for sick say they don tire, and we sabi say e never overstay wey dey talk say cholera e don show people dem again pepper for side for Yaounde. This dirty na part of the thing wey dey make am wey people dem dey get cholera, and if they see the kind of dirty wey e don turn up so tey e dey even come for block roads, dem no the one for comot dirty. We dey ask na question, na the kind of dirty Yaounde this way go take for welcome stranger dem when they dey turn for this African Nations Cup wey go come small time, or they dey wait na say make the Nations Cup start for reach before they dey turn for comot the dirty dem. Question wey we say sef we never fit for answer, even as wey Congo side dey tell we say work people dem for company wey dey look out dirty dem be don vex again after wey dey pay dem na only 1 moon inside the 3 months wey dem dey ask am. So the dirty e plenty inside Mendong for Yaounde, capital city for inside we own country. And as we talk for now, country people dem, another case for chopping, another case for sleep, another man wey we don get am for Torias just now. Make we enter for gendarme for inside the brigade for gendarme for side from Banga just now with the commander for there. E don show we some paddy man. Una no need for see face and make una no worry if we no show face. Na man this way they don catch just now wey don just comot for chop soya for some 4-year-old pikin for that side, so from Banga na for Mongo division. According to the boy wey uniform people dem catch from Banga for gendarme brigade, he say na for sika say na one of the condition wey dey give am for for say make e get that magic poster as wey tori dey enter for we ear. So for sika say e wan get magic poster wey go give plenty money, they tell you say make e sleep pikin wey dey 4 years and e sleep the pikin for back and for front, as we the uniform people then talk for we for inside this matter. As well the talk just now, nothing wey dey happen for inside the office for gendarme for that side, so from Banga as we tori dey enter for we ear, and that small girl pikin 4 years old na way e don suffer only for sika say the boy talk say na that magic poster that one na dey call am say I no sabi as one na dey call am for Emmanuel Macron country talk, but na that poster where you get am you fit get plenty money. Na way the boy e talk say na one of the condition na way dey give say if e sleep with pikin for 4 years for front and for back, then e go get that magic poster as wey dey call am. Yes, una dey call am na porte monnaie magique. So e be get forget am, so e be get for sleep with 4-year-old pikin for front and for back before e go get am. So e dey with the gendarme people dem just now as so the talk for Equinox Story House. We go turn back on top the matter tomorrow. Make we show na the book wey doctor dem dey don give am, na book that way doctor dey give am pikin name na Mayange. And una see say doctor they don't talk say 4 years old they don't sleepy for before and for back. Now the book that we una dey see am, so country people them we get them just now for inside Tori House. As well don't talk for now, we go surely enter for this matter in the proper when we go turn back for Wednesday. Nothing wey dey happen as well the talk from Banga for Mongo division and now for gendarme office as we Tori enter for inside we here. We go come out on top this matter. We take una talk. We get our series for campaign for talk as we road them for inside Mbonge subdivision Ide. This road one at the Siam na part of the road where we don't first show now from my one side. Na road this from Mbonge, but this time we then have a place where they call am say Mabunji. Na village this from Mabunji where the road Iwawa. Imagine yourself say you enter for motor for this kind of road. How they go manage push you pass on top this road country people them. na the driver the way that they run this road they suffer, and we sabi say some half time if e don be wey dem don start for work this road before this problem start, they catch some of the work people themselves, they put am for one end and even burn some of their work team dem. Just now that road for go from Bonge e don spoil, and na the road this way minister talk say they wan can throw away gravel for say make population make motor dey fit pass. Imagine yourself say they throw away gravel for on top this kind of road. Tell me if motor go fit pass, or how many motor dem they go pass if they can throw away gravel for here wey they no do better work than for throw away that gravel. E dey show say the waste na money from governor. Better take your time for fix the road. And sabi say Mbonge Mabunji na one of the place too that way if you get your kaka wey if you say take am go for town for Kumba you go sell am. But when the road dey so and population we dey hear say the one can throw in a gravel for the place, na wasting time. Proper wasting time and proper money from governor wey dey waste am for say that they can't throw gravel for roadway dey the kind of state, then you go throw gravel on top. How many motor dem go pass if rainy fall? Wetin go happen? Na Mabunji village be that country people dem. We get plenty of the part dem we go show now as wey the week e continue. Today na inside Mabunji. Just now na the real one this country people dem. Una dey see am? Na die body that way get for go for Babubog village for Kupe Maninguba division. Yes, and the people they dey suffer. Una see am no? They dey push die body on top Okada. Man Nadine they pay this Okada man 150,000 francs for carry the die body from Bangem town for go for Babubog village. And as well we hear, no be na only people dem for Babubog they get this suffer. We get as well come out from Manfe town, Bangem, you pass on Deep Sea, you waka, you pass Iyandong, Jokte, Ela, and Balok village. Okada man say tire, e be get for commander a blouson for his skin. For sick I say e no be na easy thing. So people dem for Babubog just now, they dey ask na question. Their elites dem wey dey dey for inside Yawende or for some different end dem, wetin dem fit do? And as soon as they see am na just beginning this. For sick I say some level go dey wey the die body they get for put am na for different level. Now they dey push am na for sick I say the road they dey call the one say Kota road for people there they dey waka for here. And with the hear say for even carry chop you go for Babubog or for any of the villages wey I call am inside Bangem. Na Bangem subdivision country people dem money dey plenty. Okada one e dey take 150 for carry die body. Then imagine where e dey carry people dem. And man Adimo could show the other side for tell we say when the die body don reach for different level they must to change am. Una don see am now, they don pass the place wey they call am say Kota. Now they get for change this position for coffin wey diamond dey for inside. Na when me say see the thing at the ask and say they must to carry die body go village, you for bury am for town. Una see am say die man too e go suffer for inside road before e reach the village. Now they get for make the die body e go straight. E mean say the Okada they will first carry the die body put am for down. Una dey see am na thing wey dey happen. And we go talk say Kupe Maninguba get people dem for outside. Someone dey wey dey for big chair but they no fit do no nothing. All dem dey just sit down, they dey look place. Na dey suffer that way your own country people dey suffer. As I be say we dey na for we own politics for belle. When money dey we chop and we dey fine. When money dey we chop and we dey fine. Una dey see am. See as well they don put die body now for different level. Now na different game plan wey they dey get and just now. Na real suffer wey people dem they dey get for carry die body. Comot from Bangem town, you dey go for village like Babubog or Deep Sea, you go for Njokte or even for Iyandong or even for Balok. Now una see say when they put the die body so, two people dem they must be for back, and for that two people for be for back for push the die body for waka, you must to put fuel for their own Okada. So tey you reach for village, and the road wey dey dey inside na Gwataho, na road wey be don fair be fine. As wey tori dey enter for we ear. Na just for sick say they don abandon the road. Na why that way the road e dey, and the day na for on top hill. No be na self say na for normal land. Na on top hill una see say die body dey no. Na far away for tell we say na for on top hill wey dey waka. Imagine say the Okada man make some kind of style, then he fall for down. Wetin we go talk country people dem? After we go come for village, make we vote. We go give una cow, we go give una rice, we go give una thing them. But after the vote, piam, they don't disappear again. Now the reason for that for village people them, as so they talk just now, so na big call for the elites them where they come out for Kupe Maninguba. Make them say they look this matter and to check to true say if the kind of road there for their village, waiting the day for Sarah they she done. Then they only talk say, oh, now so we get for be thing that they find. But road, big suffer. So now the image that we'll talk say we must to show for now for inside the own country. We also get the kind of road them for 21st century. We this also cry, say true. Trouble day. Now back kaka that where they no fit carry am, they don't abandon am. Only for say road in no day for come out for inside village so you go for town. So people they suffer and they beg now say make the elite them they do something. We go come out for chapter for road. We talk work for custom people them just now. Sabi self say the custom people them for side for QC. Them too, they don't catch some big thing them. Now we start with the bullet. Man at the day say don't jump. I hope say you turn back for the other one. Yes. Now the one that with the catch 5 kilogram for thing wey they call am say catalyzer. Na thing wey the help for say make bomb. Ihala. And according to custom people them for QC, they catch this 5 kilogram catalyzer from some man for we come up for Gabon, and they talk say one send am now for inside Douala according to Tori we enter for we ear. So this thing it help say make bomb Ihala as we Tori enter for we ear. So for inside QC. They show we some 25 bullets them, na cartridge them. When I will they use them for go kill beef for inside bush. 25 cartridge we they so custom people them too for side for KOC they catch them. So for inside some motor as we Tori enter for inside we here country people them. We go talk just now PTA for inside government bilingual high school Lum Shantega country people them. The case zone close. We be start them at a time where they so they be the cry say they pay money plenty. Some they pay someone, some other one they pay different. Last after they be fair postpone their election forget the new PTA people them. They don't last vote as we the mommy them and papa them say they be glad. Say after all thing they don't vote their new people them where they go they look at them and look at their money the way they pay for inside matter way concern PTA and sabi say for the day where they be the vote SESEB country people them. The divisional officer for Lum where SESEB he be start the matter he be she done for big table he be Siam as we papa and mommy them they come up for vote who they go put am for say make it look out their money and after when they finish count vote na man wey they call am say so Robert na SSB win the vote as soon as see am then he make his own new ESCO una see say they be use na even land light for say make people then see place for sika say the DO he be talk say no go come out for year except say they don't finish and na for night wey DO come out after wey they voting he pass fine and the new ESCO he don't talk say their principal for government bilingual high school he no go see even one kobo inside that money say principal no dey even inside so they go manage for see as well they fit change thing them inside government bilingual high school for that side so for Lum Shantega. Make we hear wait to wait some of them mommy them and papa them talk for microphone for Jackie Nomolo.
Plenty for government school because private school they pay 30,000. How government school we pay 36,200. It not be good for we. One as they make them reduce the price because we dey suffer. All thing now even thing when we dey work for family no still there but we dey suffer they can't pay. We know the city where we go. They just say pikin and go full pikin. Then science. He dey from 5. We never ever enter for laboratory. Who say laboratory dey? They make them show we.
Si vous jouez dans le bureau, c'est bureau work fund. Mais bureau respect texte pour statut général de APE. C'est mal we don't vote today for president. Mais not say you don't win. You get work suite you go pass. Do you know say you go respect the text. If you don't respect the text, we go denounce.
Very good. So if you no respect way they go also talk so that the vote to come out again for the chair. Now after we the Vini vote Oga So Robert like the big man for PTA, he be sure say the mommy them all they be one nae. Make we see am. And we pray and say, Augusto Robert, now he go be that Messiah for help say making them turn back to normal for government bilingual high school Loom Chantier. Make we hear the first talk we talk for microphone for Jacques Nomolom.
Relation with the administration for lycée. That's we go work. Because we too, we don't know how we start the worker. Because all thing if you the hamburger that say it man know go how we start don't show.
That if you want gérer now your situation for APE, if professor come again for inside, go do how?
Statue don't Gina say don't come for inside. No, na me the Gina.
If you come, we do how?
We go make we work. We know if he come again for inside. We go Gina say don't come for inside.
Which come on?
Professor say don't come for inside. We go being conseil how we statue don't talk. No, we know they can make throne. No, we na plan about which is on man. Or vex we the work how we statue don't talk.
Very good. They say if principal one come according to the law for PTA, principal fi just stand up for corner like advisor, they inside the money, say na them say they get for lookout. But what you get for talk for Tory people then too they be don't dey follow you up all the matter.
Don't try for do for we who na Equinox. Una not you people for Loom Chantier guard, Loom Chantier see the baran. We no fit forget una. Because all the work now because if we not be sure plan we get them for ya for all Cameroon for all people and they for like I don't know say some problem there for
Yes, now the president, we hope say go do a work in the proper and inside the southwest region. University for Boya, Oganol Alembong will be one of the big people them for inside matter for teaching and development for University for Boya. It don't take time for go look some other university where they call them say Tico University for that side, so for inside southwest region. Sabiseb say Tico University, he get for do some small understanding. MOU as well they call them for Bibi Queen Elisa country talk say they so make University for Boya he been at the university where he go the lookout and even sign degree them for picking the way they go learn for inside Tico University. So for part for say the university don't prepare for doing own side work now we Nol Alembong where they in charge for teaching and even at communication technology for side for University of Boya he been a vice chancellor for that level. He tonton for a CC the Tico University he too he don't prepare for say make it do work according to waiting. Sabi say for say make some universities, state university, it be like a papa or mommy for another one. He must to go tonton for say all thing inside that university they okay. Then the go sign the memorandum for understanding for partner so that University for Boya, if it be the papa and mama university for Tico University for that side for southwest region as we Tori enter for we here. And just now problem for northwest and southwest it worry, but before we enter for them make we talk on top this matter. Now for inside Douala here where they see some gun for some fish where they don't pack in them for inside. Now custom people them for zone 2 where they catch them alchemy as well they open that fridge they meet up na gun for inside. No ask me wait where the gun be they come do or wait where the gun it be the two for inside the fridge, but the alchemy people them they don't seize the gun it they will see the people them where they get for hold the gun and they continue for make their investigate as we Tori enter for inside we here. Chiefs them for inside Meme division, country people, them say they don't hold their ndongamen inside matter say waiting, say them the suffer as well the problem for Northwest and Southwest continue. Now the assistant senior divisional officer is SSB for this ndongamen for Chiefs them, and before all thing the starts, Chiefs they begin for call their ancestors them, say may they come join be with them and may they look out, then ndongamen where they get them. One of the way they happen after some long time where the chiefs them for me they meet up, and according to Wetiwe Chief Elondo Kenneth Mukete will be the head boy for the Meme Chiefs conference. He don't try for talk say this so this matter he don't make away plenty of the chiefs them they been internally displaced. Wetiwe they call them say IDP them for different towns. Some them they don't run go for Kumba, other one them they don't run come for inside that Douala only for Sika say they no get place and they cry settle their land, farm the way they use for chop from inside, like kaka, that farm them, according to the chiefs them, they say na boys them that they control and just now. And when they know where, for say may they even get money for go look at them skin, it's wrong. And even the matter, it really worried they no fit even go for hospital. So the chiefs them, they beg say men governor, it look inside this matter so that them too, they fit turn back for their different village them. Make we wait to wait Chief Elondo Kenneth Mukete talk. For microphone for women for K-Town, Nzai Bue.
I talk say the first one I say we don't run our villages. Who need to stay for our village again? We don't come seek refuge either for Kumba or for Douala and Boya. We want to go back. I say the other one we not to get money again for treat ourselves because wait till they happen. I say our farms the way they give we money. And all the other small things that we do. The businesses are not more. Farms have been taken over by the boys. They are the one controlling our farms. We don't have anything. So we're not to find for go hospital, you pay your bills. This is not a problem the way we face and plenty. And then we don't stay for outside again, have friends, no problem for chiefs. So this is not a problem the way we face as chiefs for the division. We me are the leader.
Yes, and Chief Kenneth, Chief Elondo Kenneth Mukete too, he talks it before Governor one come, make it come be them, the other chiefs them to the start for do something. Make we hear you talk.
Government wants to say we will get for start by ourselves, and that's the reason that way I call the meeting like a big like leader for Pememe chiefs. Where we will start with the gather, we will go help with ourselves. We share information, we will help ourselves. But government again, if we help we for make sure say. People that are house that don't born. People they all lost so many things. Even if I go back, Palace no day, I will stay for website. So we will need some assistance where will permit me for go back, so that we can put up a small nice structure where we feel stay to. We not say okay, you don't come back home and then feel live your life.
We go remain for inside Kumba. Country people them for talk say they just now. Reverend Eyakwe Joseph just now. They don't put it like the new director or maybe we enter for this sofa we happen for side for K-Town. On a fisi say na road for come out for Boya for reach Kumba. We the year say early Monday morning time. Some boys them for on top that road. Boys them with the gun, they catch plenty of the people them where they be one enter for Kumba for early morning time where on Monday also sabi sometime the BUA ide. So boys them or people them they know the fit for come out for some zones them for that side, so for northwest or even for southwest. This group of people them as we to re-enter for we here they catch them for Monday for morning time where ide, so they be the air go for Kumba, they be the waka. So now for highway for Kumba Kumba Boya highway where they catch them where they talk say they no be get for waka for that day we been a Monday we sabi say Monday the been a die day them for some zones them for inside southwest and some zones them for northwest. So all them they be there na inside moto where they be enter for Kumba before they catch them as we to enter for inside we here. So that's what happen on Monday from early morning time for Boya Kumba Road as we hear them inside matter say they no be get for waka for inside Kumba or they no be get for waka for that road on Monday as we tori enter for inside we here. Manadi will go enter for Corona, maybe we'll go turn back for we other tori them where we'll come back for here for morning time. We could just take Corona for this chapter. They will enter for newspaper commodity. Update for Corona for this number 9 day for inside November. 251,118,520 people them. They don't catch Corona since we enter for the whole world. 227,363,812 people they don't well, and 5,072,233 people they don't die since we are Corona. It come for the whole world. Now update for this number 9 day for inside November as we una say una don't see. Make we see where to a newspaper then get them for we for inside Tori House. We enter for newspaper. We time done almost finish, so we go finish with newspaper them this afternoon before we come back. We'll turn back for this matter tomorrow. We'll go explain for now other man. I do if you get newspaper, yes. The Guardian Post where they outside today they try for talk for we as we some taxi driver he don't die and he moto sesep chakara after we bomb hala for inside. Now for Boya way pass Louis Paul Motaze, SSB gather plenty people them for side for San Milima for glad number 39 here from Kunkuma on top chair. Now so to if you read Tori we concern with the Ministry for Finance don't do concerning BIAC, their money way they so they don't do the business. Order to read them, you go read them for inside the guidance post. We get Eden newspaper to a day outside country people them inside Eden. The top Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute where he don't talk congratulate for company where they make Mimbo after we go open some big farm we can't go the come up for day 30 years on Kunkuma on top power how the thing be happen you feel read them for inside Eden newspaper plus other to read them where Eden a carry am for his skin this afternoon and municipal update he asks a BB question say how it go be if that Limbe deep sea port it happen now for the same time when Nations Cup become how it go be if that Limbe deep sea port work is start now for the same time when Nations Cup in the camp. Question now Natiwe you get for checking site Natiwe municipal update a talk this morning time now this afternoon. Case for person wey don lost before we comot country people them na mama Chouameni Elise wey e don lost. So na mami Ikio Cynthia e dey beg say any man wey don see this mami for any site call the telephone number then for before tele 677-794-302 677-456 not 56 or 677-571-825 or you take am for gendarme or police station where it dey for your corner country people them. So now the case for loss will get inside Tori House. We don't finish story for this side for Equinox Story House. Big thank you for Dallas channel we put a camera for my before. For backside, we get man Nadine, Malice, Gabin, even man where they call him say Jonathan, or them they join hand for say make Tori, it happen fine for this side. So till tomorrow, 8 Papa God degree. Una hold am tight for outside the country people there.